Hey there, glad to see you back on the channel. If your Volkswagen Taos feels a little messy, plain, or missing some helpful features, this video is for you. Today we're looking at 25 great accessories made just for the Taos. From smart organizers to protective add-ons, these upgrades make daily driving smoother and your SUV much easier to keep clean. And the cool part is, everything is available on Amazon. Just check the links in the description if something grabs your attention. Let's get into the video and see what the Taos can really do. Very first on the list is Center Console Organizer for Volkswagen Taos. Keeping your Volkswagen Taos cabin tidy has never been easier with this center console organizer, designed to hold keys, coins, cards, and other small essentials securely. Made from sturdy ABS plastic with anti-slip liners, it prevents items from sliding around while driving and fits perfectly inside your console for a seamless look. This simple yet clever addition helps reduce clutter, keeps everything within easy reach, and enhances your daily driving experience by making your Taos interior feel more organized, functional, and comfortable for long trips or busy commutes. Next on the list is floor mats for Volkswagen Taos. Protect your Volkswagen Taos interior from dirt, mud, spills, and snow with these premium all-weather floor mats. Crafted from durable TPE, they are custom cut to match your Taos floor contours, providing edge-to-edge coverage that keeps your carpet clean. Easy to remove and clean, these mats provide long-lasting protection, keeping your Taos interior looking fresh, stylish, and ready for whatever adventures lie ahead. Next accessory in our list is trunk mat for Volkswagen Taos. Keep the cargo area of your Volkswagen Taos organized and damage-free with this durable trunk mat that prevents scratches, spills, and stains. Made from tough, waterproof material, it offers a non-slip surface to hold groceries, luggage, and sports gear steady during drives. The custom fit ensures full coverage and easy cleaning, making it perfect for families, pet owners, or weekend warriors. This functional accessory not only protects your trunk, but also helps maintain the clean, professional appearance of your Taos interior no matter where the road takes you. The next must-have on our list is rain guards for Volkswagen Taos. Enhance your driving comfort with these rain guards for the Volkswagen Taos, allowing you to slightly open windows during rain or wind without letting water inside. Made from durable smoked acrylic, they provide a sleek, low-profile look while also improving cabin ventilation. Easy to install with strong adhesive tape, they are custom molded for a secure, precise fit that blends with your vehicle's lines. This accessory keeps the interior dry, reduces fogging on windows, and ensures a more pleasant and comfortable ride for you and your passengers in all weather conditions. Coming in next, we have cup holder inserts liners for Volkswagen Taos. Keep your Volkswagen Taos cup holders and door compartments free of dust, crumbs, and spills with these flexible rubber liners. They fit snugly in the spaces, preventing items from rattling and making cleanup quick and easy. The soft, durable material cushions small objects while protecting your interior from stains and scratches. This practical accessory improves convenience and organization, ensuring that your Taos cabin stays neat, quiet, and visually appealing during daily commutes, errands, and long trips. Next add-on in our list is cargo cover for Volkswagen Taos. Keep your belongings safe and hidden with this retractable cargo cover designed for the Volkswagen Taos. Made from durable, flexible material, it easily extends over the trunk area to conceal items while retracting smoothly when not in use. The custom fit ensures it stays securely in place and blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. This accessory provides privacy, protects your cargo from sun exposure, and keeps your Taos trunk looking neat and organized, making it ideal for shopping trips, travel, or daily errands. Next on the list is rear bumper protector for Volkswagen Taos. Prevent scratches, scuffs, and minor dents on your Volkswagen Taos with this rear bumper protector. Crafted from tough, impact-resistant material, it guards your bumper from luggage, groceries, pets, and daily wear. The precise fit design makes installation simple while complementing the vehicle's exterior lines. This practical accessory not only preserves the look of your Taos, but also adds peace of mind during loading and unloading, ensuring the rear remains scratch-free and stylish over time. Next accessory in our list is Roof Rack's Crossbar for Volkswagen Taos. Expand the carrying capacity of your Volkswagen Taos with these sturdy roof rack crossbars. Built from lightweight aluminum with a corrosion-resistant finish, they provide a secure base for luggage, bikes, or outdoor gear. The aerodynamic design reduces wind noise while driving, and the custom fit attaches easily to factory mounts. This accessory is perfect for weekend trips or outdoor adventures, giving your Taos enhanced utility and the flexibility to transport gear safely and conveniently. The next must-have on our list is key fob cover for Volkswagen Taos. Protect your Volkswagen Taos key fob from scratches, drops, and everyday wear with this snug-fitting cover. Made from soft silicone or leather, it keeps your keys safe while maintaining full access to all buttons. The cover adds a modern look and a comfortable grip, and installation is quick without any tools. This simple upgrade ensures your key stays in pristine condition while enhancing the style and durability of your Taos accessories. Coming in next is Door Sill Protector for Volkswagen Taos. Prevent scuffs, scratches, and paint damage on your Volkswagen Taos door sills with this easy-to-install protector. Made from durable, impact-resistant material, it fits precisely and stays securely in place while blending with your interior design. The textured surface adds traction and enhances style, giving your doors a refined look while safeguarding high-traffic areas. This practical accessory helps maintain the clean appearance of your Taos, increases resale value, and adds a subtle touch of elegance every time you and your passengers enter or exit the vehicle. Next add-on in our list is Windshield Sunshade for Volkswagen Taos. Keep your Volkswagen Taos interior cool and protected with this custom-fit windshield sunshade that blocks harmful UV rays and prevents heat buildup on sunny days. Made from reflective, durable material, it protects the dashboard, steering wheel, and electronics from sun damage while keeping the cabin comfortable for you and your passengers. The easy fold and unfold design makes installation simple and storage convenient when not in use. This accessory is ideal for maintaining your Taos interior, reducing sun glare, and ensuring a cooler, more enjoyable ride every time you return to your vehicle. Next on the list is Screen Protector for Volkswagen Taos. Protect your Volkswagen Taos infotainment screen from scratches, fingerprints, and smudges with this precise fit screen protector. Made from high-quality tempered material, it maintains touch sensitivity and crystal clear visibility while providing long-lasting protection. Installation is quick and bubble-free, and it can be removed or replaced without leaving residue. This practical accessory preserves the appearance of your screen, keeps your Taos interior looking sharp, and ensures a clean, professional display for everyday use or long drives. Next accessory in our list is Dashboard Cover Mat for Volkswagen Taos. Shield your Volkswagen Taos dashboard from sun damage, glare, and fading with this heat-resistant, non-slip dashboard cover mat. Designed to follow the contours of your dashboard, it provides complete protection while staying securely in place during drives. The soft material reduces windshield reflections for safer driving and adds a subtle touch of style to the interior. This accessory keeps your dashboard looking new, improves comfort during bright sunny days, and enhances the overall appearance of your Taos cabin. The next must-have on our list is Armrest Cover for Volkswagen Taos. Enhance comfort and protect your Volkswagen Taos center armrest with this soft, padded cover that guards against scratches, spills, and wear from daily use. Made from durable and easy-to-clean material, it adds extra cushioning for long drives while fitting snugly and staying securely in place. The elegant design complements your interior, and installation requires no tools. This accessory improves both comfort and style, preserving your Taos armrest while providing a more refined and practical driving experience. Coming in next is Chrome Delete Overlays for Volkswagen Taos. Upgrade the look of your Volkswagen Taos with these Chrome Delete Overlays that provide a sleek, modern appearance by covering factory chrome accents. Made from durable, high-quality material, they fit precisely on trims around windows, doors, and other areas, giving your vehicle a bold, uniform look. Installation is simple with adhesive backing, and the overlays resist fading and peeling over time. This stylish accessory transforms your Taos exterior, adding a custom aesthetic that enhances its visual appeal and makes it stand out on the road. Next add-on in our list is Class 3 trailer hitch for Volkswagen Taos. Enhance the towing capability of your Volkswagen Taos with this Class 3 trailer hitch that is built for strength, durability, and versatility. Made from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it allows you to tow bikes, cargo carriers, or small trailers safely and confidently. The precise fit design ensures easy installation without modifying the frame, and its sturdy construction withstands daily use and weather exposure. This practical accessory turns your Taos into a more capable adventure companion, making road trips, weekend getaways, and hauling tasks much easier and worry-free. Next on the list is leather seat covers for Volkswagen Taos. Upgrade and protect the interior of your Volkswagen Taos with these premium leather seat covers that combine style, comfort, and durability. Custom designed for a perfect fit, they protect against spills, stains, and daily wear while adding a luxurious look to your cabin. The breathable material keeps you comfortable during long drives and throughout seasonal changes, while installation is simple and requires no tools. This accessory enhances both comfort and aesthetics, keeping your Taos interior looking elegant and well-maintained for years to come. Next accessory in our list is dashboard organizer tray for Volkswagen Taos. Keep your Volkswagen Taos cabin clutter-free with this dashboard organizer tray that provides compartments for phones, sunglasses, keys, and other small essentials. Constructed from durable, high-quality material, it stays securely on the dashboard while preventing items from sliding during drives. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with your interior and offers quick access to frequently used items. This functional accessory improves organization, reduces distractions while driving, and ensures your Taos interior remains clean, tidy, and efficient. The next must-have on our list is elastic trunk storage net for Volkswagen Taos. Maximize your Volkswagen Taos cargo space with this elastic trunk storage net that keeps groceries, sports gear, and other items secure during transport. Made from strong, stretchable material, it attaches easily to existing anchor points and prevents items from moving while driving. Compact and foldable when not in use, it adds flexible storage without taking up extra space. This practical accessory helps maintain an organized trunk, protects your belongings, and keeps your Taos interior neat and ready for errands, travel, or weekend adventures. Coming in next is aluminum alloy AC knob for Volkswagen Taos. Upgrade the look and feel of your Volkswagen Taos interior with this aluminum alloy AC knob that is both stylish and durable. Designed to replace the factory knob, it fits perfectly and allows smooth, precise adjustments of your climate controls. The high-quality metallic finish resists wear and fading, adding a premium touch to your dashboard. Easy to install with no tools required, this accessory enhances both functionality and aesthetics, giving your Taos cabin a refined and modern look every time you adjust the temperature or airflow. Next add-on in our list is full car cover for Volkswagen Taos. Protect your Volkswagen Taos from dust, rain, snow, and sun damage with this full car cover that is designed to fit snugly over your SUV. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof, and breathable material, it shields your exterior while preventing moisture buildup underneath. The custom fit design keeps the cover in place even on windy days, and its lightweight construction allows for easy installation and removal. This essential accessory preserves your Taos paint and finish, keeps it looking new for longer, and provides peace of mind whether your vehicle is parked outdoors or stored in the garage. Next on the list is seat gap filler for Volkswagen Taos. Stop losing small items between your seats with this practical seat gap filler for the Volkswagen Taos that blocks the narrow spaces where phones, coins, or keys often slip. Made from durable leather or foam, it fits snugly between the seat and console, staying securely in place without sliding. Installation is effortless and requires no tools, while the sleek design blends seamlessly with your interior. This simple yet effective accessory reduces clutter, prevents frustration, and keeps your cabin organized and convenient for both daily commutes and long drives. Next accessory in our list is trunk organizer for Volkswagen Taos. Keep your Volkswagen Taos cargo area neat and orderly with this versatile trunk organizer that features multiple compartments for groceries, sports equipment, or tools. Made from durable fabric with reinforced sides, it prevents items from shifting during drives, while folding flat for storage when not in use. The non-slip base ensures stability, and the sturdy handles make it easy to carry heavy loads in and out of the trunk. This accessory maximizes your cargo space, reduces clutter, and keeps your Taos interior clean, organized, and ready for any adventure or errand. The next must-have on our list is car backseat organizer for Volkswagen Taos. Transform the back seat of your Volkswagen Taos with this multi-pocket organizer that provides storage for tablets, bottles, snacks, toys, and travel essentials. Made from durable, easy-to-clean material, it attaches securely to the back of the front seats without damaging upholstery. The multiple compartments keep items accessible and prevent clutter from piling up on the floor. This practical accessory improves comfort, enhances convenience, and ensures a more organized and enjoyable experience for both children and adult passengers during long drives or daily commutes. Coming in next is multi-purpose card table for Volkswagen Taos. Add convenience and functionality to your Volkswagen Taos interior with this multi-purpose card table that is perfect for meals, work, or entertainment on the go. Designed to fit securely on the passenger seat or attached to the back seat area, it provides a stable surface for laptops, tablets, food, or documents. The durable, easy-to-clean material ensures long-lasting use, and it folds compactly when not in use for simple storage. This versatile accessory enhances your comfort, productivity, and overall driving experience, turning your Taos into a practical mobile workspace or dining area during trips and commutes. These were 25 amazing accessories you can add to your Volkswagen Taos. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.